All right, what up out there, everyone? Welcome to Wolford Startups, Day 3. Vibe coding publicly until I make 5 million. And today we are going to continue working on the 6th. The 6th is our SaaS that's going to give you your entire C-suite as AI agents. This is what every founder needs to be successful. And so we're going to get started in a moment. I was just setting up some things. Everything that you need is in the chat. You can follow along with the Google Doc as well. So I'm just checking out something. Perfect, that works. Okay. I'm just checking out something. So everything you need is in the chat. And I'll be right back. We're about to get started in a moment. I'm in Hawaii, so no, it's not cold. I just like to be cozy when I code. Put that on the t-shirt. Be cozy when I code. But yeah, we're doing early bird purchases. If you want to do the early bird purchase, that's the link in the chat right here for the early bird purchase. You can also watch this live on that page as well, only when I'm live. And then we have a doc right here that you can also use. We have a doc right here. You can follow along. That's the link to the doc. It's open. You can follow along. And also in the chat, the YouTube chat, pinned to it is also another link to the early bird purchase and waitlist page, I believe. So we're about to get started in a moment. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some hot chocolate and about to get started. No, I'm not cold. It's not freezing. I live in Hawaii. It's beautiful outside. Just, I like to be cozy. I like to, sometimes around the winter time, I still have that New York thing, right? Like, I like grilled cheese sandwiches and hot chocolate. I don't know why. That was soothing as a kid. So sometimes when I have a little bit of anxiety like I do with this, that's just how I feel. So we're about to get started in a minute. We're going to continue to vibe code the AI agent. Yesterday, we got a lot done. Yesterday. So today, we got all the Python code. What we did yesterday was we got all the Python code done in the repo. Today, we're going to go back into the repo because building an AI agent is not as easy as people think. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back into the repo. Let me show you the repo. We're going to go back into the repo, which is right here. We're going to go back into the repo, which is right here. Okay. And is this right? This don't look like it's right. We're going to go back into the repo, which is here. And then we are going to do the part of the agent. We're going to create the part that you guys need to use the agent, all right? And I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet because it's a lot of work to do. It's a huge list of stuff. So right now, let me show you where we at. Let me do this. I go get my hot chocolate. I'm gonna get started. I'm just gonna get started and go get my hot chocolate. So right now we use ChatGPT, and I have a little method that I do where I use ChatGPT to do my vibe coding. It's more effective that way. And so we're gonna do that. And let me just show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna use the AI agent in ChatGPT, and we're gonna sign into our GitHub repo. I already gave it a simple prompt to continue where we left off. I changed chat. Sometimes you gotta change the chat message. It helps. So we're gonna do that, and I still gotta add an API. So okay. All right, so that's our prompt. So that's our prompt. And we're just gonna go on and click this prompt. And I'll be right back. While this is working, I'll be right back. All right, I'll be right back. It's setting up this desktop. It's gonna sign in and everything. And I will be right back shortly. While it's doing that. All right, I'm back. Setting up this desktop. noise. Sometimes hip hop just sound like noise, you know? What's going on? Why isn't it setting up this desktop? It's going really, really slow today. It's going really, really slow today. I don't know why. ChatGPT does not like to be recorded. It goes really slow. The agent's not feeling it today. Let me see. Okay, here we go. It's working. Okay. So this is what it gave me back. Charge my phone. All right, we're just trying to get it to sign into GitHub today. All right, I'll be right back. I gotta go charge my phone. I'll be right back. Just trying to get it to sign into GitHub. Hold on a minute. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Let's see where we at. Okay, I tried to open the environment network. Wow. It was doing this all day for me. All right. Let me try to sign in to my GitHub. For some reason, GitHub is tripping today. They won't let my AI agent sign in. I don't know what's going on. What? What? See, this is what I was telling you guys about. This is the thing I was telling you guys about. The site can't be reached at all. What's going on? Today, it's like the agent is blocked. For some reason, hold on a minute, I gotta change some things. Hold on. Oh man, I'm already exhausted now. Okay, let's try this again. I don't know. The chat GPT don't like to be recorded. It's just acting up. The AI agent, the chat GPT, it doesn't like to be recorded for some reason. Every time I put it on, it just doesn't like to be recorded. God, this is stressing me out so much. Okay, hold on a minute. Let me try to fix this. I'll be right back. 1 second. I gotta try to fix this because I don't know why. I don't know why it's not no, I know why. I'm just trying to fix it. It always acts up. It's been acting up a lot lately. It's really been like they know what I feel like sometimes they know what I'm trying to achieve and they just get in the way. You know, I'm trying to set up the virtual browser is not working. It doesn't really, all of this should work better. But obviously Chat GPT is a bit corrupt. It doesn't want me to show you how to do this. So they're blocking my they're blocking me from signing into GitHub today. For some reason, I don't know why. Let me start a new, hold on, let me do this. Let me start a new one. Oh, goodness. Let me start a new one. I'm gonna start a new, make me waste on my agents. Sign in to my GitHub. A simple request. Let me see if it is signed into my GitHub without me showing you guys. I'm still here. I just got to turn the camera off and everything because I don't want you to see my crazy faces. See the crazy faces that I'm making. All right, let me try this again. If not, I have a workaround. I really didn't want to do it. It kind of kills the experience. You're at the Chrome tab. You already signed into. Okay, go to this repo. Go to this repo. Okay, now it's working. Okay, now it's working. Is it just me, or do you feel like you break the simulation sometimes? And then when you break the simulation, everything works, and you try to go around it. I don't know. I feel like all these hiccups are bullshit. Technology is not supposed to have these hiccups, but it does. You can see, it's not showing my desktop though. That's weird. I don't know. Okay. What what do you need to do to make this agent into a MVP that a user can use the AI agent? Well, I just won't have the virtual desktop today, which is okay. I don't really need the virtual desktop. But for some reason, the virtual desktop isn't staying up. So, okay, so it's working. It's working. We got it working. Man, I tell you, this shit crazy. Oh, my hot chocolate. I'll be back. Let me look at my hot chocolate. I forgot all about that. Okay, I'm back. Let's see what it says. Okay. It made me waste all my AI agents. You see this? It made me waste the last little bit of AI agents I had. Man. right, I'm back. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna do this. I'm not gonna keep playing around with this. We're just gonna go over here. Chat GPT. It means well, but I'm just not feeling it. See, I kind of don't want to go into Replit. I kind of don't want to go into Replit because Replit is gonna make it buggy. Replit is gonna waste a lot of my money. I already know, and it's gonna make it buggy as fuck. I already know. So I would try to do as much of the stuff I can. Well, I mean, it's giving me the files. It's giving me the files. The only problem is I wanted the agent to do all this, but it's giving me the files. It's just basically, add this files to the repo. Basically it. I gotta add this file. I gotta update. Yours, add these. Okay, I gotta use my API key. So I gotta, and then I gotta add this. Add this. Add these files. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Again, API key. But it tells you what to do, Oh my goodness, it's been crashing all day. All right, we're not going to do this today with chat because obviously Chat GPT doesn't like being recorded. It doesn't like, it's been doing this all day. So what we're going to do, we're not going to waste our time. We're not going to waste our time with Chat GPT today. We're going to do boy. All right, I'm gonna have to be. I'm gonna come right back. I'm gonna come right back. Give me a minute. We're gonna have to change the play for today. Nothing's working. I'm a bit bummed. I'm a bit bummed out. I really am. Nothing's working the way I wanted to. It's just already stressing me out. It shouldn't be this hard. I'm trying to not use Replit because Replit is going to be buggy as hell. And I'm going to spend all my money messing with bugs. But I might have to use Replit today. Even though I don't want to. I don't really have much of a choice. So let me take a 5-minute break. I'll be right back. Take a 5-minute break. I'll be right back because I gotta think what I'm gonna do. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm back. All right, I had to go and get my head together, man. People think that this is fun and simple, but it is not. It is very stressful indeed. And I had to go step away for a minute, take a break, get my head together. Okay, so what we're going to do today, ChatGPT is active really funky. It doesn't like to be recorded. And I'm out of agents. Okay, I'm out of AI agents. So what we are going to have to do today is, well, what we should do today is we should go and get the wow, it really don't like it really don't like being recorded. Okay. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna go and get our Google API done. That's what we're gonna go do today. So today's the day we go get our Google API done. So let's go set that up because we need that. We need that to really get this going. Let me go and get that set up. Hold on a minute. Woo, this is a stressful day. I don't know what's going on with ChatGPT. It doesn't like to be recorded. Let me see if I put it in another browser. It doesn't like to be recorded. Okay, so let me show you what we got so far. Okay, let me show you what we got so far. Okay, so we asked ChatGPT to help us turn the AI certified product officer agent into a minimum software as a service. Okay. Now we ran out of AI agents, so we can't have it do it for us. We have to do it ourselves. But yesterday we did all the code for Python. So this is what it gave us to create the MVP. All right. It gave us all the stuff to create. To finish, basically we need to make the AI agent accessible and deployable. And that's what these files are. These files right here make the AI agent accessible and deployable, okay? And so we got to do this part manually. Where we go into the GitHub and we create the files and we copy and paste all of this in there. That's going to take a lot of time. I'm not going to have you sit here and watch me do it. To be honest with you, I'm so stressed right now that I need a blunt and a nap. I need a blunt and a nap. I need to smoke for real. I need a blunt. I'm about to call my friend and tell him I need a blunt and a nap. You know what I'm saying? So I got to add all these files. I'm not going to do that. I just wanted to show you, though, where we got to. This is what we got to today. I'm out of AI agents, okay? So I got to do this myself. I don't really have to do it myself. I think it's fun to do it yourself. I think it's a learning experience to do it yourself, but I don't really have to do it myself. I'm going to show you what I can do in a moment. But I got to do all of this. This one right here is the MVP. And this is what the user interface is going to look like. Okay. And then, I got to do all these files. It's a lot of files. Then it tells me to run it locally, which I'm not going to run it locally, but I can. Then it tells me, where to run it at. Then I'm going to be using Gemini for the API. So in a moment, we're going to go to Gemini and set up the API. And we got to go here, set up the API. So I'm going to go and do that. Copy the API key, copy the key. So we're going to go and do that. And, then it gives me the new files and yada, 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 yada. Okay. So let me get out of here because ChatGPT does not like to be recorded. All right? It doesn't like to be recorded, but this is all the instructions. It gives you all the instructions, everything you need to do. Of course, it helps if you know what to do with it. Okay? It helps if you know what to do with it. All right? And, all of this, I got to do all of this. It just goes on and on and on and on. All right. So let me leave ChatGPT alone because ChatGPT got me super stressed today. Like, super stressed today. And it's only day 3, okay? I'm super stressed. Like, bro, I'm having a meltdown here right now. Because let me tell you, people misinformed you about vibe coding. It's not smooth, bro. It's not smooth. When it's smooth, it's smooth. But for some reason, I get really anxious. I don't know. It doesn't go like the expectation. It's too many hiccups. And it's not like you're doing anything wrong. You're just saying what you wanted to do, and then nothing's working, It's high compared to your voice. Okay. Well, let me try to fix that. I don't know. People wanted music, so I gave music. I can't hear what you hear it because I don't have headphones, so I don't know how high it is. But thank you for that. All right. Maybe that's better. I don't know. But anyway, all right, so the solution, the quick solution to do this is to use Replit, which is right here. Okay, the quick solution to do this is to use Replit. That's the quick solution right here. But I guarantee you, if I jump into Replit too soon, it's going to be buggy. It's going to be buggy. I got a lot of hours building for Replit. And in my experience, Replit, okay, so the first problem is Replit picks its own tech stack for your project, and it doesn't really pick the best one. It just picks one. That's the first problem. So I just had an issue earlier today. It overwrote one of my repos. I was making some changes, and it overwrote one of my repos. It was crazy. Like I was making some changes to. Matter of fact, I was making some changes to the early bird page right here. And I wanted to add the videos down here so you can see me in real time. Like you can watch me on the page. I wanted to add the videos. And it overwrote the repo. It literally overwrote the whole repo, So I'm sorry, y'all. Today's a bad Wednesday. People, Mondays are bad, but Wednesdays are bad. I like Mondays. I don't like Wednesdays. All right? I don't like Wednesdays. This stuff doesn't really even work the way you want it to work. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so I could use Replit. We're not going to use Replit because, like I said before, Replit is going to make me waste a bunch of my money and a bunch of my time, and I'm going to have nothing but garbage. So let me give you a piece of advice. Let me give you guys a really good piece of advice. What you want to do is you want to be redundant. You want to back everything up. Back everything up. If you go into Replit, make sure you have a backup of what was originally made. So this way, when Replit screws it up and it's super buggy, all you got to do is delete it and start all over again. Well, find out what went wrong and then delete it and start all over again. But don't go in there with one file. It's going to be a disaster. So we're not going to use Replit right now, even though this will be over in a couple of hours. I'm trying to not have to spend any money if I can help it. So what we're going to do is real simple, and then I'm going to go take a nap. We're going to go and set up this API key for Google AI. We're going to go set up this API key for Gemini, because we're going to be using Gemini. So we're going to go set up our API key. All right. So I can't show you it. But this is where we at right now. So we're going to be over here, and we're going to be getting our API key. All right. So give me a moment. I'm going to go get the API key out the way. I'll be right back. And let me put this up while we get the API key out the way. Let's go get this API key. It's not going to take that long to get the API key. Okay, so we're creating the API key. All right, so the API key is set up. Okay, so the API key is set up. We're going to copy it, and then we're going to put it over here to the side for later. All right, so you're probably going to have a couple of different API keys. So, okay, so that's done. That's it. It was that simple. It was that simple. The API key is done. That's it. It was that simple. Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. Appreciate you. I don't know why it doesn't have more views. You're watching me have a real live meltdown. You're watching me have a real live meltdown. Well, I already had a real live meltdown. But anyway, the API key is done. So that's finished. Okay, so the API key is finished. You set that up. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. It's one of those Wednesdays. I'm just fucking pissed because I don't want to have to mess with Replit if I can help it. Oh, open code. Yeah, I heard about open code. Yeah, I know. I might go over there to open code. I heard about open code. I might go over there to open code. I don't know yet. But anyway, what we have is the repo of the AI agent. This is the repo. We did this yesterday. Okay, so we got that done. We got the AI agent repo done. Now, no, I'm not using Kimi. I don't know what I'm using yet. I'm just getting the code base together, getting the user interface together. I got the Gemini API key. I got one more thing I want to do. I'm gonna have it do one more thing so what I'm looking for right now is two things. I'm looking for the API key to the model that I'm going to use. Well, I'm looking for the model that I'm going to use, and I'm getting the API keys to the model that I'm going to use. So I'm trying to decide what model I'm going to use. And I want to use Gemini for the AI agent. I want to use Gemini. But I got some other models in mind. So I'm just getting API keys today. I was going to set up the front end for the agent, but I'm so exhausted right now, and I just want to lay down on my couch and take a nap, because when I get stressed like this, my brain shuts down. This is people say a lot about vibe coding, but it's not as easy. It's not as easy as they make it sound. It's really not. So I'm going to cut this a little bit short today, and I'm going to have ChatGPT do one more thing for me, and then we out of here, because I need to rush. I need to take a break now. That hiccup that I spent 45 minutes fixing just like drained me. You know what I'm saying? Just drained me, bro. This is not easy at all. This is my first AI agent, so my brain is modifying itself to deal with the development of learning how to do this, right? This is a process I always go through whenever I start something new. My brain goes through this thing of developing. So let me go ahead and do one more thing. I'm trying to think, what can I show you guys? I'm disappointed. I don't have anything to show you guys that's real yet. I'm so disappointed in myself that I really feel bad. Yeah, I really feel bad. But yeah, I'm a new age developer. Yeah, I'm into metaphysics, so I'm into metaphysics, but you got to know I'm older too, right? So your brain loses plasticity. When your brain loses plasticity, when you try to learn something new that's complex, it puts so much pressure on your cognitive lobes. And I feel like, I don't know, I feel so stressed for no reason. I haven't done anything physically. It's a mental thing, right? But this is what happens when you learn something new. So this is my first AI agent. And I'll be honest with you, I don't have a clue what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing at all. But isn't that the whole point of vibe coding, right? Now I can vibe code other apps with no problem. I can vibe code apps. I can vibe code with APIs, right? But Python, I don't know anything about Python. And I don't want to waste my time with something that's buggy. So what we're going to do is we're going to back up everything. The first thing we're going to do is back up everything. The second thing we're going to do, that's what I got to do, is back up everything. And then the second thing we're going to do is relax. Because, but let me set this up first. So, not much got done today, unfortunately, but that's okay. We'll come back tomorrow, and just so you guys know, I'm only here Monday through Thursday. I take Friday, Saturday, Sunday off, so I'm only here Monday through Thursday. I believe in the 3-day weekend, not the 2-day weekend. So, let me see. All right. It's interesting that you say that, because that's what I'm building. I'm building a C-suite of AI agents. And the first one that we're working on is the Chief Product Officer. That's what this SaaS is called, the 6. So it's 6 AI agents that'll run the task of your C-suite for you. And the first one we're working on is the Chief Product Officer. Okay? And yeah, that's what's going to happen. We are going to be, the AI agents are going to be our workers, and we're going to be the CEO. That's actually what I'm building. Believe it or not, that's actually what I'm building. That's what this is right now. And the first one, the Chief Product Officer, I picked it because I want to use it to build this SaaS, right? I want to use a Chief Product Officer to build this SaaS. So one of the interesting things I decided to do for this project was to have the AIs that I'm building build this project, right? Run this project so that you can see in real time as a demo that this project works. All right, but we're not going to do all of the C-suite roles. We're just going to do one, and I decided that one should be the Chief Product Officer. So that's the first role that we're making right now. Okay. So let me finish this up. I'm about to get up out of here. Again, ChatGPT, it does not like being recorded, so I can't use that no more. All right. If you guys want to purchase or get on the waiting list, if you guys want to do an early purchase or get on the wait list, here goes the site right here where you can get on you can do the early access purchase for $1,000, or you can get on the wait list If you do the wait list, I'll give you some good opportunities later on, and then you can watch me down here. So right now we're watching this. You can watch this. This is live, right? So you can watch me down here. So when you put the link in the chat, all right, that's the link in the chat. If you want to do an early purchase or get on a wait list, okay? Now, of course, once I launch, oh no, I don't do Discord. I don't do Discord. No, I don't do Discord. I have a Twitter though. I have a Twitter, but I don't do Discord. But if you're free, hey, listen. Anybody that's interested in this project, that wants to be my day ones, that really want to follow someone new, someone real, you can go ahead and start a Discord for me. You can start a user Discord. You have my approval to start a user Discord for this forthcoming product. All right, you have my approval, my verbal approval to start a Discord for this forthcoming product, because the Discord would be used for feedback and future development. Also, this is something that the CPO would do, right? So remember, we're making an AI agent that's a CPO. So one day when you're a founder and you're doing a video and someone says, do you have a Discord? That agent would then go out there and make a Discord, okay, and run it. Why people say the AI agents are going to take jobs is because the AI agents are going to be able to do hundreds of different tasks simultaneously at the same time. So if I'm doing this like I am, and you are using the 6, and your CPO would see someone saying, do you have a Discord? And the CPO would say, yeah, we need to set up a Discord. And then the CPO would go and set up the Discord and run a Discord and all that other cool stuff. And you wouldn't have to do anything, okay? That's what we're building. AI agents that do everything for you. Just because someone says it, thinks it, or just do it because it's filling in the gaps. That's what this project is. So, all right. Well, it's only day 3, but it pulls a lot of people. But it puts a lot of people in the seat. Well, all founders. Okay, so let me answer that question. That's a good question. This is a good question right here. Okay, so all founders are CEOs, Chief Executive Officer. It's just a title. It's just a title. It just means you're the fall guy. You're the guy who takes the fall when things go wrong, okay? So Chief Executive Officer, every founder is a CEO, okay? But if you're a CEO, you need another team. You need a team of C-suite executives to do everything for you. See, one of the problems is you have founders doing a job of 7 people in addition to their job, which is being a founder. Okay, so you have to change that. So that's why I came up with this. I said maybe if startup apps or startup SaaSes had a C-suite team, they would be more successful. You know, they'd be way more successful than what they are, or more of them would be successful. I should say more of them would be successful versus the few that are. So that's how this idea came about. Wanting to provide something for founders to give them a better percentage of being successful. Okay? So, all right, let me slide out of here. I'm going to talk to you guys later. If you like to go ahead and do an early bird purchase or get on a waiting list, that's the link below. And we will come back tomorrow and work on the 6 again. I got the API done today, so that's pretty much all I was able to do. We had a lot of technical difficulties with ChatGPT and StreamYard, but we got the API done. Tomorrow we will try again to bring the agent online. Okay, so that's what we're going to do tomorrow. We will try again to bring the agent online with the UI user interface. That's the goal. So we're almost there. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for hanging in there with me. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the chat. Let me know in the comments section. And also, you have the link to my docs. You have the link to my document. And I'll have today's activities on there in a moment. All right? All right, guys. That's all I got for today. I will talk to you soon. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Goodbye.